Why we set up tech center dedicated to what? Dedicated to aerospace, EV batteries, and semiconductor and consumer goods to our customer to help them and to explain them how they can improve the quality of their manufacturing, production, manufacturing cycle, etc.
And so what we can expect in 2025? A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at Marpos Technology Center, a newly launched technology center, state of the art. We have with us Mr. Luca Matteucci, Managing Director, Marpos India. It's good to meet you, Luca. And can you let our audience know about the idea of having a facility like this, choosing industry like you will tell people
Yes.
what sort of industry you have chosen it, and a place in Pina.
Pina,
Can you
yes.
let our audience know about this?
Yes. Thank you, Dinesh, for your welcoming to be present here today to our inauguration of the Tech Center. Coming to your question, and this is also behind us, why we choose Bangalore, why we choose Pina to open this R&D facility.
Yes.
Bangalore is very well known as a tech capital
Yes.
of India. All the most, let's say, growing markets and companies, especially in three sectors, let's
Yes.
say, are here in Bangalore area. Anyway, come straight to the point. Why we set up tech center dedicated to what?
Yes.
Dedicated to aerospace, EV batteries, and semiconductor and consumer goods.
Okay.
As called 3C. For the audience means mobile phone.
Okay. And will people will come and they will have a complete demo, or you will help them building a product?
Yes, I would like to. Yes, I would like to specify that. Here we're not making the demo, guys.
Okay.
Here we are making the real test on real parts,
Okay.
real case scenario
Okay.
to our customer
Okay.
to help them and to explain them how they can improve the quality of their manufacturing, production, manufacturing cycle, etc.
Okay.
You are producing mobile phone. You are a company that produces mobile phone, for
Correct.
example. You come here, Marpos, I need your help. I need a way, I need a system. I'm not sure if the screen is having micro scratching, if there is a nano dent that could lead on leakage of water or dust inside my mobile. Can you help me out? The answer is yes. You come here, you give us your sample parts, you tell us your requirements, what you want to check, etc.
Correct.
Here, with this facility, we'll be able to check and to reply to your answer to question and suggesting what, based on our know-how, we'll be able to provide you to improve the quality of your manufacturing cycle.
That means once their parts is proven, then they can have those machines at their facility
Yes.
to have a
Yes. Yes.
a big production.
It's difficult to, if you don't understand exactly what you can
Correct.
obtain,
Yes.
what are the advantages that you can have
Correct.
on using our application is very difficult. So what we say is, guys, in order to facilitate the interaction between each other, and also because we're looking to have a win-to-win situation, let's come here, free of charge. We do your test, we do everything, we answer to your question, then if you're satisfied, if you're happy, if you understood, etc., then we sit down and we talk about do business together.
And Luca, to add on this, will you be having some seminars in future if people will ask?
The idea of having this facility is also for open house
Okay.
dedicated to segments. So there will be an open house for semiconductor, for example, an open house of where we can help on the manufacturing on the mobile phone. Mobile phone means also when they are machining the case, the help of how to improve the quality of the manufacturing of the in the aerospace industries, how to qualify your battery production line, etc. So we will obviously focusing on dedicated interaction one-to-one, customer to company, to answer to all their questions, to explain why, based on our experience, need to be done this and that, etc.
You had a successful Imtex. I will say successful and aggressive because you had a whole team at your booth. People from Italy, people from Germany, your Indian team from different part of the country. That was in Jan. Now we have starting March. We have this facility. So what we can expect from Marpost in 2025? Because two big things I have seen. It has passed. Jan, the biggest show. Every technology is displaced now. And so what we can expect in 2025?
Definitely in 2025 we are looking to definitely increase our business, but not only in terms of order that we are receiving, also in terms of people employed, additional resources coming from Italy or from other countries, because we are looking to move it forward even at a faster pace with our localization of the manufacturing here in India. The moment we are doing it, we started more or less 1 year ago in Manager, and now we are looking to obviously scale up. At the moment still in Manager, but in the future, why not? If the market will rise there as we hope here in Bangalore, why not? That will also.
One question, not about the technology center, Luca, because Imtex, what intrigued me was your service thing.
Yeah.
And I was not aware of. I've asked your team the service set, and I see service money is gold for most of the companies.
Yes.
Because it's a recurring money. So on the service part, I have seen the so what all initiative you are taking for service, because I know there is an app, there is a team. So, but I wanted to understand for my people, like people who are using your products, what all value addition you are doing in service.
Say that obviously the service is a backbone of everything. As our founder always said, that the first sales is made by the salesman.
Yes.
All the other are things and are made by the service. Because if you're not satisfied, you will never go back to the company.
Correct.
Okay. So you're looking to increase drastically our workforce in the service, because obviously more we're expanding the market, more needs of support our customers are asking us. So definitely there will be a campaign of an hiring campaign for the after sales service, with also having a facility like this aligned with dedicated training to the service people.
Yes.
So this is double scope.
Correct.
A facility like this one, like we got in Manager, is a double scope. One showcase what we are able to do, where we are able to help our customer, and the other is for us to improve our technical know-how locally. So the future is, instead to call someone from abroad, that obviously is costing more, time consuming, we will not available the next day, improve the know-how of our workforce, of after sales service people, in order to give a prompt and cost-effective solution to our customers.
Luca, you had a booth at Semicon India. I saw you moving around with a lot of Marpost bags, meeting customers, talking to everyone. Now you have a tech center with technology for semiconductor. What sort of response you are getting? Because since your team must be talking to so many people, so what sort of response you are getting from that industry?
There is definitely the semiconductor market is booming. Incredibly, incredibly is a wrong word to say. As expected, also we had a lot of very good, interesting leads coming from Intex, which is a machine tool exhibition. Think that the 1% of the number of the leads are related to semiconductor business. Came from Intex.
Oh.
Came from Intex.
It's an interesting
you see?
response for me, and it's a good perspective. Luca, I won't take much of your time. I know you have an evening party. Thank you.
Yes.
Mespix Media wishes you a lot of success and looking forward to see you at the party. Thank you. Thank you, Luca. Thanks for the invite. Thank you.